Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Flower, flower, flower. The flower is red. Flour. Flour is needed to make bread. Pear, pear, pear. The pear looks yummy. Pear. This pear is my favorite. Meat, meat, meat. A little meat is good for us. Meet. They meet once a year. Sun, sun, sun. The sun is so bright today. Sun. The son is carried by his dad. Right, right, right. I love to write stories. Right. I got the right answer.